Standard is attention. Standard is attention. With great respect and well regards, respected directors and principals and hardworking teachers and my brothers and sisters, I wholeheartedly welcome you all into this wonderful galaxy. My name is Shrikar. I am from 5th class. I am going to host the morning assembly for today. It's time to begin our school assembly. I would like to invite Isha Sushan from 5th class. Please come forward and lead us with the national song.
For every dark night, there is a brighter day. It means good times and bad times both are coming and going. Remember that there is a brighter day after every dark night. After your hard work, success will come to you. Thank you. Have a nice day.
I would like to invite Jaydev from 5th class. Please come forward and lead. I would like to invite Isha Sushan from 5th class. Please come forward and lead us with the stage song.
Jai
Morning to everyone. Today's word of the day is energy. English meaning the ability to do work. Telugu meaning Shakti. Hindi meaning Takat. Thank you. Birthdays are special occasion for each and every person today in our Kakatiya campus. Ketan and Manoj are they celebrating